are lining up trucks for a photo shoot, and my captain Dax and I are transporting the driver to and from the garage, and we have to make sure that we're efficient and timely.
You might have to give it, it's weird with this, you might have to give it less throttle.
Okay.
Yeah, when it starts like bogging down, pull it back a little.
All the trucks on this property are runners, but for the sake of being able to be more efficient in placement and getting things into place, we are towing this. Oddly enough, he put me at the helm of the steering wheel of a very nice 1917 Sterling. Little nervous right now. It is nerve-wracking. This is a significant vehicle, maybe one of its kind left in operation and fully running order. Not only that, but the owner is looking at me right now, so a little nervous. We're here in Healdsburg, California, and we are here prepping a collection ready to go to auction. We're sharing some behind the scenes moments, showing the collections team, getting all of the trucks and vehicles detailed from the inside and the outside. Then we're setting up our photography, making sure that each vehicle is cataloged in every way, from the interior shots, the exterior shots, and then some behind the scenes video content. At this shoot here in Healdsburg, California, we have Jonathan and Trish McNeil from Las Vegas. They are part of our collection services team, and what they do is they make sure that the vehicles are looking in the best conditions, setting them up and getting them ready for the photo and video shoots. Sometimes we do have mechanics that join us depending on if the vehicles do need, I would say, a little upgrade or a little mechanical work done. This time we didn't need the mechanical team, and we just have the detailers with us, making sure that everything is in tip-top shape for photo and video. Having excellent video and photography is extremely important to the success or the selling story of your vehicles when you take them to auction. The videos and the photos are able to tell the story and the history, and then show all of the, I would say, major to minute details of the vehicle. When you have an auction, you have, only a couple days that it's viewable in person. So being able to tell a captivating story on our website and through social media is extremely important. And when you have upgraded services that Mecum does offer, you're able to have professional video and photography services on hand to help the success of selling your vehicle. Thanks for joining us on this behind the scenes tour of making a collection. I got to get this truck running. It's a 1917 2.5 ton. Let's get this bad boy going.